Hey guys, I'm Lander here. Today we're gonna play the most craziest chicken game ever. It says, tired of Angry Birds? Play this game, it's way better. Like, who even says that about games? We're way better than Angry Birds. Mommy, can I download this game? It's better than Angry Birds. That's just weird. And yep, he's gone. Okay, select bird. We're playing Bird Brawl. Bird Brawl, no. Bird Brawl? Bird Brawl. Okay, so, which bird we're gonna be? Duh. I've been playing this around once before. I'm gonna see if it's laggy. Okay, guys. Let's choose Murder Chicken. I unlocked him yesterday, I guess. Didn't mean to, but whatever. Yeah. Let's go. Pooping. And that was my name. Stupid as it sounds, I made it look weird. Pooping? No. It says like pooping and whatever. I know the controls. Game. Watch this. Okay, guys. For some reason, I need to got that down and down. That guy's got a rocket launcher. It's hide in the water. Okay. Mission Impossible. I need to do something. Okay. I don't think he's here anymore. Wait, he's back. Okay, guys. Yep, we're back. I defeated Mission Impossible. AKA unlocking doors for people. What? Oh, I got like a axe thing. Blade. Oh my. Murder a chicken. Murder a chicken on the loose. This chicken is gone. Hiya! Oh! Did you see that? That was the most awesome thing ever. Sorry. Fake burps for the win. Let's hide in this guy's nose. Totally blends in perfectly. Oh no. He sees me. Bringing him down with me. Firebirds? Well, I lost my thing. Well, I got some fire thing. Why am I not going? I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I am literally Firebird. What even? I am not moving. I am literally not moving. This thing is lagging. I think it says it's in beta once when I was actually looking at this. Let's get my battle axe thing, aka a kitchen knife. Yep. This thing is in beta. Firebird missile thing. 4th. And now it's not lagging. Facebook user. Facebook? Dang. Facebook sucks. Well, no, I don't want bees. What does bees attack look like? Oh, I just it's a meat cleaver. A literal meat cleaver. Oh, I'm sorry for all the lag, guys. Thumbs up for Terraria. I don't even know what to say right now. What? Do I literally not even have... Where's my war axe thing? Literally. Chicken person! Chicken person's going down. It's going down for real. I'm literally taking down these people. Let's take them down. Literally. Oh, fart. I don't have a... Wait, I think I saw a fart bomb over there. Oh, that's just mutant chicken legs. Mutant chicken legs? Who adds mutant chicken legs to their video game and calls it a weapon? How is mutant chicken legs a weapon? See golden bananas. I guess that's how some people roll. That's how I roll. No chicken. Who even says that? That's how I roll. Mutant chicken legs. Yeah, I guess, the lag. Oh, I guess I just threw so many ninja stars. Or maybe. Oh, he's got the giant cracked egg. Yep. I think that sums it up. So much lag in this game that my brain is exploding. Yeah, so, yeah. Thumbs up if you want to see more of this, which is probably not going to happen because it's so laggy, but thumbs up if you want some. Thumbs up and comment at which game you want me to play, if I even get any comments, which would be awesome because you guys are epic. And yeah, thumbs up for chickens with ninja stars and mutant chicken legs. See ya.